If you're looking for ways to make your two-strand twist look newer, then this video is for you. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back and checking out this video. Today's video is going to be all about how I renew my two-strand twist. So if you would like to see how I do this and to grow my hair healthy and long, keep watching. And for those who are new to this channel, my name's Joy Nwaba, and on this channel I talk about natural hair. I also talk about gray hair in hopes of inspiring other women who are prematurely graying to feel comfortable in their own hair. Also on this channel, I talk about beauty, lifestyle. I do vlogs. In fact, I talk a little about everything. So if you'd like to join the family, just go ahead and click on that red button down below and turn on the bell notification so you're never going to miss any videos from me again. With that being said, let's get into the video. So family, to do this, I'm going to be using my almond oil and water. Inside this spray bottle, I have almond oil and water, and that's my almond oil. So I will first of all section the hair, and I'll go in with my almond oil, making sure I get it through all the strands. And after that, I'm going to loose the hair. This is just a quick video, guys, so keep watching. Alright. And after moisturizing the hair, I'll twist it up back. Okay. And I will go over to another one. I'll lose the twist and then work it through with the oil, and I'll twist it back. This is what I'm going to do to the front, on the back, and at the middle of my hair. So guys, while losing your hair, you have to be very gentle. And this is how I protect my edges. I'll first of all twist my edges with flat twist. Then I'll take it and join it to the hair. I will start braiding. Keep watching, guys. Alright. So guys, this is how I lose my twist. I'll first of all twine it to the opposite side, and then I will slide my finger naturally through the strands and drag it down. Yeah, the twist is released. So this is my method. You can use what works for you, okay? This is easy for me. But before you do this, first of all, moisturize the hair so it's soft. And there you go. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, so family, this is the hair. As you can see, it looks neat and fresh. I am done. Look at how it looks. So if you're looking for a way to renew your two-strand twist, you can try this method. As you can see, the hair looks new and neat. You'll be alright. Okay, guys, that will be all from me today. If this video was really helpful to you, be sure to share with your family and friends and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell for notifications to enable you know when next I upload new videos. And also, leave your suggestion on the comment section on what you'd like to see in my YouTube videos and what topic you would like me to cover. And I will see you all in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. Bye.